Welcome back to the channel, guys. Midweek update. Are we about to see triple digit Ethereum? Are we going to break that $1,000 mark? So in this video, we're going to be looking at my key levels. We're going to be looking at my updated price prediction. We're going to be looking at what's going on today with the FOMC, which is basically the Fed meeting, where we are anticipated to increase rates, which is not good for risk assets, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Things like the S&P 500, which we'll be taking a quick peek at as well. This is the overall stock market. Things like your Facebooks, your Googles, your Apples, and what that's doing to the overall fear and greed index right now, which is off the chart. It's minus 14 and there's blood coming off it. So yeah, really it's at 7, which is that could be the joke in itself. Yesterday it was 8. We are at extreme fear. And you know what they say, guys? Be greedy when others are fearful, fearful when others are greedy. So let's look at the price action today to see how we can trade this and where the stops are, good time to buy, etc. Quick smash of the like button down below. Thank you so much. When you hit that like, it really helps, and subscribe for all future videos. So what we're currently seeing on this Ethereum chart on this monthly, and I'm going to go into the smaller time frame in a moment, but I've got my weekly and monthly levels drawn out for you to share. So at the moment we are in danger, and of course this is a monthly chart and we've still got half of the month to go. We are in danger of breaking and confirming on the monthly level. And the monthly level is about $1,100. Time of recording $1,065, and the lowest we came across most exchanges was about $1,013. So we have not broken $1,000 yet, but the question is, will we? Well, the chances are we will likely come down and we will break the $1,000 sooner rather than later. However, it is important to note that we have a strong support level at about $905, $910, which is a weekly level. If I bring in this VRVP, this shows you the traded volume. What is worrying is you can see there isn't much traded volume until you get all the way down to another weekly level, which is $435. People have been asking me lately on DMs and in the YouTube comments, can we really get down to that level? Well, my answer to that is yes, we can. I mean, if you go by sort of the previous cycle, if you look at the previous peak here, from high to low, it was a percentage decrease of 92.5%. So far, the Ethereum price has only decreased 72%. If we were to decrease something similar like 90%, it does take you round to that $350 to $400 level. So obviously that can happen if we continue into this deeper crypto bear market. Very, very possible. So let's go into the smaller time frames. And by the way, do check the comments below. I now have someone working with me that is deleting all the spam comments, and I know how annoying they are. So if you want to leave comments now and reply, you will have the luxury of doing so, not like many other crypto channels where there should be no spam comments. You might get the odd one, but we're working really hard. So leave your comments and reply to comments, etc, etc. So let's look at the smaller time frame. Let's go right into the 4-hour chart here and see what we could potentially see in terms of resistance and the support level. So currently the strong resistance above us is at $1,226, and in terms of support beneath us, we have to just simply go by the psychological level and also the technical level of $1,000. So we have a trading range, you could say, somewhere in the region of about 20%. Now, as the price of Ethereum gets lower, the percentages in movements become bigger because it's a smaller asset class, it's more volatile, which means for traders there are bigger opportunities, of course. By the way, guys, if you haven't already joined the team on Bybit for MARZSTERS, MARZTERS, or I don't know, check it out in the description down below. You can join us and join the team and get up to $4,100 when you create a new Bybit account and make a deposit of at least $500 as well. So join our team. We're going to try and win a share of this 8 million USDT prize pool. So in the smaller time frames for the Ethereum price, these are essentially my bullish targets. I'm targeting initially $1,175 in the next 24-48 hours. I am having my stop losses set beneath that $1,000 level. If we break this level, this 900, and it actually is about $905 to $910, Well, guys, it's really, really bad news, because going back into the bigger time frames, you don't have too much support until you get all the way down to about $600. So if that happens, if we break that level, if we break that $1,000 level, it's pretty worrying. What's going on today in the rest of the financial markets in crypto is this FOMC meeting. Another big Fed hike is expected of 0.75 basis points, i.e. 0.75%. The reason they're doing that is on the back of what happened last Friday with the negative results of the increased inflation. The CPI index came out, wasn't looking good. How much is the Fed going to raise interest rates in 2022? Well, between 1.75 and 2%. It's all at the moment kind of as anticipated, as expected. But if it keeps happening, if they keep having to hike rates, it's not going to be good for Bitcoin. It's not going to be good for Ethereum. So what does this mean for Bitcoin with lower prices? You can see I have a support level laid out right now at that psychological 20,000, but it's also a technical level. What's really interesting about Bitcoin is the price of Bitcoin has never in a bear market gone lower than the previous bull market top. So what do I mean by that? As an example, 2011 market top. The next bear market didn't come down to that level. Bull market top 2013, the next bear market did not come down to that level. And then, of course, the previous bull market top, December 2017, well, we're in danger of breaking that level. We haven't even come down to match the same level before in these bull markets. So it's quite concerning. The only thing that's not as concerning is this logarithmic chart. And I will go into the smaller time frame for Bitcoin to show you as well. But what we can see is we still could come down to approximately $10,000, $11,000, $12,000 for another 50% correction. And actually, it's in the realms of possibility, because if you zoom in here and look at the weekly chart and see what's been going on for the Bitcoin price, you know that we have this kind of bear flag pattern. And ultimately, guys, if this plays out, I've shown many of you before on the channel what it would look like. If we go into this chart, the logarithmic chart, you draw it from high to low and you kind of have the pole, bring it down. You can see that the target does take you somewhere around that kind of 12, 13, could go as low as $10,000 level. So we need to be vigilant in these times, keep hodling, buy the dips. On the smaller time frames for Bitcoin, the levels that you need to be aware of in terms of resistance above us now are back up at $21,970. The support is coming in between $20,090, and we're currently being supported at about $20,500. So very interesting times for Ethereum, very interesting times for Bitcoin. Will we get triple-digit Ethereum? Like I said, most likely. Will we stay beneath $900 for a long time? That's hard to say, but don't worry, guys. I'll be updating you daily, so make sure you're subscribed. Check out any one of the videos on the screen, and make sure you go down in the description below to join the team on Bybet so we can win a share of the 8 million USDT, and you will get up to $4,000 in bonus down below. Thanks for joining me, guys. See you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.